Hi friends, today we'll discuss about recurring deposit interest calculation. Recurring deposit means which will happen monthly. So every month customer will remit the cash into recurring deposit account. So today's scenario is every month customer is paying 5000 rupees for the 6 months. Interest rate per annum is 7.2%. Interest calculation is monthly. Interest compounding is quarterly, and what is the maturity value. These will see today. So calculation method is actual by actual. Actual means if I take January has 31 days and 2020 is a leap year, so you have 366 days. So January for the calculation I will take 31 bar 366, February 29 bar 366, March 31 bar 366, April 30 bar 366, May 31 days and June 30 days. So this is my calculation method, actual by actual. So actual days in month and actual days in year. So in my example I have taken like 1st January, so customer has remitted 5000 rupees and month end I calculated interest for 31 days. As per the actual formula, 5000 rupees into 7.2% and 366 days and 00 will be for the percentage and 31 days I calculated. So you can see in my example January, February, March every month I calculated, but I have not done the compounding. So compounding is quarterly. Quarterly means 3 months. 3 months once means March and June. So 3 months every month but calculated, but I have not added to the my balance. But in March I said interest compounding quarterly, so I added my 3 months interest to balance. Now April I will calculate on the 4 months I collected 20,000 plus 179 rupees interest I got it for January, February, March. So compounding means when you are adding your interest to your balance or your principal, then it will be compounding. So I will calculate on the new balance. So April, May, June normal schedule he has paid 5000 rupees and extra 179 rupees are added and I calculated interest. So quarterly compounding means on June I have added everything, previous balance plus 3 months interest, April, May, June interest also added. So now total amount is, maturity amount is 30,629 rupees. 30,000 customer paid every month 5000 rupees, interest is 629 rupees. So this is the RD account interest calculation. So customer will pay every month 5000 rupees and interest will be calculated monthly, but compound will be quarterly and rate of interest is 7.2% per annum. Thank you friends.